Hey, third grade. Welcome to Math with Mr. Richardson. As you can see me. Oh, yeah. All right. Now it's time to talk about distributive property. Distributive property, friends. We talked about it earlier last week to 2 weeks ago. And then we're going to talk about it today. So as you look at the screen, we have 6 times 4 equals blank. And we broke up the 6, which is the first factor, into two different numbers. So by adding, we broke it up into 5 and 1 because we know 5 plus 1 equals 6. Say it with me, friends. 5 plus 1 equals 6. So we broke up that first factor, but the second factor always stays the same. The second factor after the multiplication sign stays the same. So 4 in each. But we broke up the first one by finding out two numbers that add to each other that gets this number. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. And we broke it up, as you can look at the array, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Then we have one solid row with just white. So one shaded, 5 shaded rows, and one unshaded row. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 times 4 is the same thing, friends. It's the same thing. So the first thing we're going to do is figure out we have 5 times 4 equals 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. We stopped at 4. 5, 10, 15, 20. We stopped at 4. Now it's 1 times 4. 1 times any number is itself. Say it with me. 1 times any number is itself. So 1 times 4 equals 4. So now we have 6 times 4 equals 5 times 4 plus 1 times 4. They all equal. And we broke down 5 times 4 equals 20. We already found that out. And we just said that 1 times 4 equals 4. So we have 20 plus 4. 20 plus 4. Let's count. 21, 22, 23, and 24. We stopped at 4 fingers. So our answer is 24, friends. Our answer is 24. So we're going to go back up top. 6 times 4. We already broke it down. And we know it is 24. That just helps us break it down. If we have big numbers, friends, and we have different arrays, one is shaded, one part is shaded, and one part is unshaded. So 6 times 4 equals 5 times 4 plus 1 times 4, and both of them equals 24. The product is the same. And I want you to practice. So you would start off by saying, doing 7 times 4. It already broke it up for you. 5 times 4 is the same, plus 2 times 4 is the same as 7 times 4. So 5 plus 4, 5 times 4 plus 2 times 4 is the same as 7 times 4. As you can see here, they both equal. So you're going to put in what is 5 times 4 here before you do that last. 5 times 4 here, then 2 times 4 here. Then you're going to add both of them together. Then you're going to add both of them together. Then you're going to do the third one. You're going to figure out 5 times 4. We broke it up into blank times 4. Blank times 4. So 5 plus what equals 8? There goes here. 5 plus what equals 8? We broke down to 8, which is the first factor. Then you're going to figure out 5 times 4. Then that blank times 4 equals blank. And you're going to fill it in, friends. And you're going to fill it in. If you need any help, please let me know. This is called distributive property. Distributive property. Have a good one. Please click on and find your classroom to find your independent practice /exit ticket. Please keep clicking if you don't see your class, and you will find it on the next slide. Okay, friends, find it on the next slide. Y'all have a great one.